So here is exactly how to add a drop-down list in Excel. So first up, head over to the sheet you want to work on. And as you can see, I'm already in the Google Sheets page. So once you're here, this is exactly what it will look like. You can add a drop-down anywhere that you want. And I will add a drop-down right over here. Here on the top, you can see all of these options. Let's select the data option, and then you need to find and select the data validation option. Once you find it, click on it. After that, you will get to see this pop-up on the right. Click on Add Rule. So from here, you can select which range this will apply to. Then on the criteria, you need to select drop-down. Here is already selected. If not, just click on it. So as you can see, we can have different options. You can select the current text and replace it by typing in whatever that you want to name the drop-down option. This way, add the different names for the options you want. You can also click on Add Another Item to add more options. Once you're done, just click on Done on the bottom right. And as you can see, the drop-down has now been added. If you click on it, you'll be able to view the options that you set and select whichever one that you want. And that's it. That is exactly how to add a drop-down list in Excel.